With record high SUV sales in the month of August, the Mahindra Group is hoping for the sales momentum to continue in the coming months. So how does the festive season look for the Mahindra Automotive division? Well, we spoke to the president of the auto division in the Mahindra Group, Veejay Nakra. Listen in.
I think a strong entry from last couple of months. Every month the number has been higher than the previous number. Last month was 37,000 plus, very strong numbers. As we get into September, the numbers continue to look strong. Couple of reasons. One, the demand continues to be strong across the portfolio. Whether we talk about Scorpio as a family, Scorpio N, Scorpio Classic, you talk about XUV700, Thar, the number of bookings continue to be extremely strong. You know, we've month on month the numbers that we add continue to be similar. The cancellation rates continue to be low, which is in the region of 6 to 8%. The fresh bookings that we add continue to be in the range of 48 to 50,000. So as we get into the festive season, the booking pipeline is strong. That's one. Number two, on the supply side, I think over the last 6 months, thereabouts, every month, we've been able to manage the supply chain better. So as we get into festive seasons, August has been a month where we've been able to demonstrate a very strong supply chain feeding into production. And the third one is the capacity of 39,000 is already available. So I think with all these three factors playing out, we believe that the festive season should be a strong one for us.
Right. And now in terms of waiting times, some of your flagship models like the Thar had very long waiting times, sometimes almost 12 to 18 months in some cases. To what extent have you been able to reduce that?
Actually, I'm going to answer this question with a lot of humility that, we are extremely grateful to our customers for, the love for our brands, that the booking continues to remain very strong and higher than what we can currently still produce. The waiting period on these brands that we spoke about have not reduced in the recent past. In fact, if anything, and some of them, it's gone up a little bit, has gone up further. We did put out saying that as we will get to Q4 of this financial year, we will be increasing capacity to 10,000 each for Scorpio and for 700. I think as we will move into that, there will be a respite when it comes to the waiting period.
Right. I'd like to ask you about future product launches. Are there any more product launches that you have within this fiscal?
I wouldn't answer that in terms of this fiscal, but the way I would put it to say is that we put out saying 2024 calendar year, we have 2 launches in store. One is a mid-cycle enhancement, which means a major change to the XUV300, and the second one is the big one, which is the 5-door Thar. So both of these are in store, and December 2024 is when we will come out with our first born electric vehicle, December 2024. So I think the calendar year will see these launches as we move into the year.
That's all we could pack in on this special episode with Lakshman, Danish, Akhilesh and me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.